Hello, this is Group 1, and my name is Tanjun Hong. In our group, we have Leong Xuan, Yuen, and Brian Yap. Our group topic is sales and service tax. Sales and service tax can be separated into two parts, which is sales tax and service tax. Sales tax is levied only once at the stage of manufacturing or during importation on an item, and service tax is levied on the consumer who receives taxable services. An example of services that can be taxed is retail, food and beverage, and hotel services. And an example of sales tax that can be imposed is on imported goods and items that are retailed. Question 1. Xiong Wei rented a room at Hotel Laguna for RMX per night. It is given that the hotel charges 6% for service tax. Calculate the value of X if Xiong Wei stayed at the hotel for 3 nights and had to pay a service tax amounting to RM63. From this, we can deduce that the 63 is from 6% of what Xiong Wei has paid. So if we invert the formula for calculating 6%, we can deduce that Xiong Wei paid RM 1050. I will now pass this on to Yuen.
Mr. Chen and his family have a dinner at a restaurant. The bill before the service tax is charged is 125 ringgit, and the service rate is 6%. So the service tax of this bill is 7 ringgit and 50 cents. And the amount of bill payable by Mr. Chen is 132 and 50 cents. This is the amount of bill. Now I will pass to Yong.
So third question, Xing buys a smartphone at 4,680 ringgit. If a sales tax of 10% is charged, calculate the total amount payable by Xing. So the answer for these questions would be the total amount payable by Xing, which he bought a smartphone at 4,680 ringgit if a sales tax of 10% is charged. So firstly, we would have to calculate the 10% of charge tax at 4,680 ringgit, which is 468 ringgit. And next, we will add the exact price of the amount of the phone, which is of the smartphone, which is 4,680 ringgit, with the 10% of charge tax, which is 468 ringgit. And we will get the total amount payable by Xing is 5,148 ringgit. This is the total amount payable that Xing has to pay. So I will pass the time to Brian.
For question number 4, Mr. Nathan used 650 kilowatt per hour of electricity in July. It is given that the usage exceeding 600 kilowatt per hour within a month will be subjected to 6% of service tax. The table shows the electricity bill